I've loved every minute, from both the classroom and the field.
I honestly would not have picked any other high school than De La Salle. It's been a completely positive experience.
When you're at De La Salle, teachers and your friends and coaches just push you all to your best, and they want to see you succeed.
The brotherhood here is super amazing. I wouldn't have experienced nothing like this if I didn't come here.
I think it's something like no other. I think people, form these new friends that can even last past high school, and those connections stay for longer than those 4 years.
I mean, there's really something here for everybody. Just have to get involved and find your special group of people.
We have high expectations at this school, state championships in almost every sport. Everyone's here just to see you succeed, and everyone wants you to get better yourself.
As a freshman, when you come in, being welcomed by all the upperclassmen, they're high-fiving you coming in, everybody's making a tunnel for you to come in. That's really special.
The teachers care. They want to actually see you succeed, not only in the classroom, but in life.
Everyone supports each other. So there's been a lot of friendships and great memories I've had with everyone.
The support here is great, and if you ever need anything, there's literally anybody here that you can talk to.
Really, when I shadowed here, that's when I knew I wanted to come to De La Salle. When I came here, just seeing the way everybody interacted, all the teachers, it seemed like everybody was friends, everybody got along.
You have that incredible opportunity to find where you call home, not just on the sports fields or in the rink. It's in the classroom, going outside into the community and finding your club.
I come here every day wanting to get better.
I think it's really special here that everybody comes from different backgrounds. Everybody is different, but everybody finds their special place.
That whole high school experience that people dream about can really happen here because of all the great things that are provided and the people you can meet.